Good morning students, welcome to chemistry online class. In this session we will discuss the solved problems in the lesson atoms and molecules. So first we want to know the formulas in this lesson. The formulas are, first one is average atomic mass is equal to mass of the first isotope into percentage abundance of the first isotope plus mass of the second isotope into percentage abundance of the second isotope. And second one is mass percentage of an element is equal to mass of the element present in the compound divided by molar mass of the compound into 100. And then third one is finding the number of moles. First one is mass divided by atomic mass or mass divided by molecular mass or given volume divided by molar volume of the gas at STP. Okay. And then number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Number of particles. The particles may be atoms or molecules. The Avogadro number is represented as Na. Value of the Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay. And then how will you obtain the molecular mass? Molecular mass is obtained by adding the atomic masses of the elements present in the compound. Okay. And then some elements atomic mass. So hydrogen, its atomic mass is 1. Carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, phosphorus 30, sulfur 32, calcium 40, aluminium 27 and gold 198. Now the first one is calculating the gram molar mass of the water H2O. Water, it contains 2 hydrogen atoms. It contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Okay, we know the atomic mass of the hydrogen is 1 and the oxygen is 16. Okay, now 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16 is equal to 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. So, gram molar mass of the water is equal to 18 gram. Okay. And then second one is carbon dioxide, CO2. Calculating the gram molar mass of the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, it contains 1 carbon atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Okay. So 1 into atomic mass of the carbon is 12 and then atomic mass of the oxygen is 16. So 2 into 16. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 2 into 16 is equal to 32. So 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. So the gram molar mass of the carbon dioxide is equal to 44 gram. Okay. And then third one is calculating the gram molar mass of the calcium phosphate. Its formula is Ca3PO4 twice. Calcium phosphate, it contains 3 calcium atoms. 3 into calcium plus. So PO4 is present twice. So 2 into phosphorus atoms plus oxygen atoms here 4. 4 into 2, 8. So 8 into oxygen atoms. 3 into calcium, its atomic mass is 40 plus phosphorus, its atomic mass is 30 and then oxygen, its atomic mass is 16. Okay. So 3 into 40 is equal to 120. 2 into 30 is equal to 60 and then 18 into 16 is equal to 128. By adding 120 and 60 and 128, we receive the amount is 308. So, gram molar mass of the calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 twice is equal to 308 gram. Now, calculating the number of moles from mass under volume. The first one is 46 gram of sodium. Finding the number of moles present in 46 gram of the sodium. So first formula, number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass of the element, that is mass of the sodium. Given mass of the sodium divide by atomic mass. Divide by atomic mass. So given mass is 46, divide by atomic mass of the sodium is 23. So by solving 46 divided by 23 is equal to 2 moles. So 46 gram of the sodium contains 2 moles of the sodium. Okay. And then second one is, second problem is 12.046 into 10 power 23 atoms of iron. Finding the number of moles in 12.046 into 10 power 23 atoms of iron. The formula is number of moles is equal to number of atoms of iron divided by Avogadro number. Divide by Avogadro number. The value of the Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay. So, number of atoms of iron is 12.046 into 10 power 23 divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay. So 10 power 23 and 10 power 23. Approximately 2 moles. So 12.046 into 10 power 23 atoms of iron contains 2 moles. Okay. And then third one is 5.6 liter of the oxygen. Finding the number of moles in 5.6 liter of the oxygen at STP. The formula is number of moles equal to given volume of the oxygen gas divided by molar volume at STP. Okay. Given volume is 5.6 divided by molar volume is 22.4. By solving 5.6 divided by 22.4, we get the answer is 0.25 moles. So 5.6 liter of the oxygen, it contains 0.25 moles. Now the next one is calculating mass from the data mole. Calculating mass from the mole. First of all, the formula is number of moles is equal to mass divided by atomic mass or molar mass. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by atomic mass or molar mass. Now we want to find the mass. So the formula is rearranged. Mass is equal to number of moles into atomic mass or molar mass. Okay. The first one is 0.3 mole of aluminium. The first one is 0.3 mole of aluminium. The formula is mass is equal to number of moles into atomic mass of the aluminium. Atomic mass of the aluminium. Aluminium, its atomic mass is 27. Number of moles is 0.3. Atomic mass of the aluminium is 27. So 0.3 into 27 multiplying, we get the answer is 8.1 gram. So 0 aluminum, its mass is 8.1 gram. Okay, and then second one is, the second problem is 2.24 liter of the sulfur dioxide gas at STP. Okay, the formula is mass is equal to number of the moles into molecular mass. So, number of moles, we want to find the number of moles. So, sulfur dioxide, its volume is 2.24 liter. Now, I am finding the number of moles. The formula is given volume of the sulfur dioxide gas at STP divided by molar volume at STP. Okay. So, given volume is 2.24 liter divided by molar volume is 22.4 liter per mole. So, liter gets cancelled. The mole inverse is converted into mole. By simplifying 2.24 divided by 22.4, it becomes 0.1 mole. So, 2.24 liter of the sulfur dioxide, its mole is 0.1. Now, I am substituting the values. Mass is equal to, number of moles is 0.1 into molecular mass or molar mass. Sulfur dioxide SO2. Sulfur, its atomic mass is 32. Presence of one sulfur atom 1 into 32 plus. Oxygen atoms are 2 in sulfur dioxide. So, 2 into atomic mass of the oxygen is 16. 32 plus 32 is equal to 64. So, molecular mass of the sulfur dioxide is 64. So, the answer is 6.4 gram. The next problem is finding the mass from the data 1.51 into 10 power 23 molecules of water. So, first of all, the formula is mass is equal to number of moles into molecular mass. Molecular mass of the water. Molecular mass of the water is equal to presence of 2 hydrogen atoms in the water molecule, 2 into H plus 1 oxygen atom, 1 into O. So, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. Molecular mass of the water is 18. Okay. And then finding the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to, the formula is number of molecules of water divided by Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Substituting the values 1.51 into 10 power 23 divided by 6.023 into 10 power 23. So, by solving 1.51 divided by 6.023, we get the answer is 0.25 mole. Now, we are able to calculate the mass. Mass is equal to number of moles into molecular mass, that is 0.25 into 18. 0.25 into 18 is equal to 4.5 gram. So, 1.51 into 10 power 23 molecules of water, its mass is 4.5 gram. And then next one is 5 into 10 power 23 molecules of glucose. Glucose, its formula is C6H12O6. Glucose molecule contains 6 carbon atoms plus 12 hydrogen atoms plus 6 oxygen atoms. Atomic mass of the carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 16. Substituting these values, 6 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16 is equal to 6 into 12 is equal to 72 plus 12, 6 into 16 is equal to 96. Okay, by adding these values we get the answer is 180. So molecular mass of the glucose is 180. Okay, now the formula is mass is equal to number of moles into molecular mass. Number of moles into molecular mass. We want to find the number of moles. The formula is number of molecules of glucose divided by Avogadro number. That is 6.023 into 10 power 23 into molecular mass is 180. Substituting these values, number of molecules is 5 into 10 power 23 divided by 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 180. So simplifying the values, 5 into 10 power 23 divided by 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 180, we get the answer is 149.427 gram. So 5 into 10 power 23 molecules of glucose, its mass is 149.427 gram or 149.43 gram. We will meet in the next session. Thank you students. Thank you.